Taking place in Damaturu, the Yobe State Alternative Dispute Resolution ADR training for judges, magistrates, and judicial staff was organized by UNHCR, the UN Refugee Agency. Declaring the training open, the Yobe State Governor, Mai Mala Buni, represented by the Secretary to the State Government, Malam, Wali, describes the training as timely.
This initiative marks a significant milestone and a testament to our shared commitment to establish a more efficient and inclusive justice system as part of a durable solution to internal displacement in the state. Training lawyers and other stakeholders in alternative dispute resolution in Yobe State can enhance access to justice by integrating customary, community-based and suitable dispute resolution methods.
Governor Mai Mala Buni, who maintains that the training will go a long way in complementing government's efforts towards building a brighter future for IDPs and returnees, expressed his hope that the participants will take advantage of the training significantly. Earlier, the Chief Judge of the state, Justice Gumna Kashim Kaigama, commends UNHCR for organizing and Yobe State Government for hosting the training, wishing the participants fruitful sessions. The Chief Judge emphasizes the need for all ADR resolved issues to be subjected to court for endorsement so that they have the authority to remain binding.
I will encourage the state government to provide legislation so that ADR decisions should be made subject to court's ratification so that they get the authority to enforce it. But for now, the authority to enforce an ADR decision is not there.
On his part, UNHCR Head of Sub-Office Maiduguri, represented by Mrs. Hostensia Eswa, who dwells on the purpose of organizing the training, says UNHCR is committed to ensuring that those on the front lines of legal aid have the necessary skills to effectively support the community, adding that the commitment will continue to support enhancement of justice system in the Northeast.
We understand the limitations of the traditional justice system, such as the high litigation costs, the lengthy legal process, and the adversarial court decisions. So these challenges can hinder access to justice and may lead to the exclusion of communities affected by the conflicts. In order to support the government's efforts in addressing the challenges associated with access to justice in the Bay States, UNHCR, the UN Refugee Agency, is committed to enhancing the judicial system by building the capacity of judges and judicial officers to shift towards alternative dispute resolution mechanisms.
Similar trainings are expected to take place in Adamawa and Borno states in the near future, thereby covering the Bay states who suffered the worst from the Boko Haram insurgency. For YTV News, Abdulaziz Muhammad Shehu reporting.